If it's not that realistic yet, so dagdagan natin. Ay, hindi naman ako pa nakakain eh. So instead of 50 pesos, siguro 150 pesos. So just do your math. 500,000 pesos divided by 150, and that's going to be the number of days, because you go to work, you go to school 5 times a week. That's how many days you would be able to, get that target 500,000 pesos. Now, my question is, matagal? Pero posible, tama? Yes. Kasi sabi nila guys, nothing is impossible. Everything is possible. If you believe it's impossible, it's just gonna take a little longer than what you expect. But still, you're gonna get there. Do you agree with me on that? Okay, very good. Next. There. Now, environmental scanning, knowing and understanding, vision and mission, objectives and goals, they're not enough yet. You also have to do your action planning. Okay guys, in this presentation, never mind the terminologies I'm sharing with you. What you have to focus more on would be the content. Is that clear? So pag sinabing action planning, this is as simple as strategizing. So how do you strategize? Here's how. Next. Yan. Guys, you simply have to know which needs to be done, when it needs to be done, who needs to do it, and what resources or inputs are needed to do it. What does that mean? Which needs to be done? What is the project? Tama? When it needs to be done, deadline, or the time within which you're going to accomplish that project. Tama? Who needs to do it? Who the tasks are going to be delegated to. Tama? And which resources or inputs are needed to do it. Ano ba kailangan natin? Are we going to be needing equipment? Facilities? Are we going to need financial support? Are we going to need physical help? Are we going to need sponsorships? Are we going to need donations? Yun. Are we clear so far? Very good. Tatlong bagsak, please. So that's how you action plan. Next. Okay guys. So tapos na tayo sa planning. Masyado na matagal yung oras na nakakain ko. Organizers. Okay ba tayo? Mr. Dennis, Tupa? Okay ba tayo? Am I not eating too much of my portion? Not yet? Napapakamit? Mr. Dennis, okay. Next. Organizing. Diba? Planning is just the beginning of it all. You also have to organize. Ang sabi dito, when tasks and people are organized well, results automatically follow. Tama ba yan? Okay. So next. Okay. What about you here are having difficulties delegating tasks to their people? Sino? Okay. So wala. So all of you are